YouTube, Karakuri versus Windups, game 3. Windups are going to go first this time. And let's see how we do.
Tour guide.
Tour guide. I should have seen that coming. Where's Effect Velo when we need it?
Let's hope I can go through here and find this tour guide. She gets a little lost. Yeah, she does. She's up top today.
Damn.
Straight up and into.
Zedmoins. Whoa.
Go.
Alright. Set card.
Good.
Summon my merchant.
What is her effect?
Search for a Karakuri card.
Alright. Second effect? Second
Has
effect?
attack when able.
No.
All of them, except for like the synchros, say they have to
use
attack.
Effect and get my Kamachi. Here you are. Switch in defense. Graveyard. And your move.
Sure. Alright. Summon them up.
Yeah, that's good.
Ditch Pylars.
Solemn warning.
Negates the effect of the special summon a monster and destroy it.
Alright.
It
No, destroys it. It negates and destroys.
Him. Okay, I didn't know. Okay.
Yeah.
Just making sure. Alright. Set a card. Go.
Alright. Kamachi.
What does she do?
Additional normal summon, attack when able, and if she's targeted for battle, change her battle position.
Okay.
Yep.
Good.
And normal summon Isamu.
Alright. Yeah.
Sync.
He really don't do anything.
It's just whenever he's attacked to get another one, then attacked again, get just.
Oh yeah, if he's destroyed by battle, you summon another one.
One of right.
Alright.
Okay, you good.
This effect. Get me Impachi.
Alright.
Use the effect, switch that to attack.
Flip Brave face down. Or whatever your name is.
Yeah, it's beret.
Okay.
You got beret and then burrito.
Sync.
And damn, these
One of
arms.
these.
Beast negates spells, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Set. Your move.
Okay. Draw. Magician?
Yep.
Special summon?
Yep.
Effect? Going to go grab special summon? Since he was special summon? Special summon?
Yep.
Up.
Increases levels.
Then
Mayo.
Mayo. What?
Force.
Stroke. Yep.
Mayo and my stroke.
Switch defense. Alright. Detach. Target both your face downs. Blow them both up.
Alright.
And attack for 26.
Take 400.
And that will be the end of my turn, sirs.
Alright. Your move.
Draw. Woo. How much life points do you have left?
I have 66.
Target mine and your face down. Blow them both up.
Alright.
26, 15, and 18.
15,
33 plus 26 is 59.
18, and 26. This game.
Isn't it?
Yep. Except
Alright.
2,000 for
Truck
this.
sign.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Bottomless.
Yep.
Alright, there we go. So fucking Wind-Up's finally won. Well, that was in game 3, but you know, they won twice. But finally, you had a wind-up game.
Yeah, I know. Talk about it.
God damn.
It was tour guide. See, that's the reason why I wanted to go with when I drew into Summoner Monk, but I didn't think about it. I was like, should have went Summoner Monk, then Special Summon Magician, then Special Summon Shark, Vicious Effect, Special Summon. Something
Now
else.
it's me and the Leviathan and his Fables.
Oh my God.
Fables are
You're
going to be ridiculous.
You're going to win every time.
I don't know. I could kill him if I want to.
Yeah, but you'll just.
I don't
turn it
know.
around.
We'll see how we do.
You'll turn it around.
Either way, signing out.